This is something I see all the time. There's been a betrayal, and then the person who's been betrayed says, we're working on it. Well, meanwhile, the we is really them. The betrayer really has no interest in working on it. It's sort of like a slap on the wrist, and nothing really changes. And here's the thing, if nothing changes, nothing changes. And I talk about the study I did on betrayal, and there were, that made the 3 discoveries. Well, there were also 3 groups that did not heal. And the first group was the group that, they had their story, they were sticking with it. They've been betrayed, and that's it. And out of the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough, this is someone deeply stuck in stage 3. The second group, this was the group that was numbing, avoiding, distracting. They ran to the doctor who put them on a mood stabilizer or anti-anxiety medication. They started numbing with food or alcohol or TV. May have made the day a bit easier to get through, not without a price. And the third group, this was the group where the betrayer had very little consequences, like what I'm talking about. And here's where, out of religious reasons, that was a big one, fear of breaking up a family, fear of the unknown, financial fear, they just did all they could to, do whatever they can to put it behind them, turn the other cheek, whatever it is. I saw 2 things with this group. Number 1, a further deterioration of the relationship. And 2, this group was the most physically sick. Your broken heart can't handle that. And I would love it if you really took a good look and said, what's the real reason why there aren't big consequences? And if fear's at the bottom of it, take a look at and play that out. What will that look like for you? And here's the thing. If you've been betrayed, it's a beautiful opportunity to change everything that wasn't working, changing your boundaries, changing what is acceptable to you, changing what is okay and not okay, changing all of it. That's changing everything about you that, you've outgrown, and becoming a version of you that will blow your mind. That's the time to do it. But what so many people do is they're so afraid that they'll grow and outgrow their partner. Now here's the thing, if you grow, your partner can grow too, and you meet up again up here. That's a 2.0 relationship. That's what's waiting for you. But so many people are so afraid of the death of the old. That's the only way you birth the new. So if you're motivated by fear, if fear is the reason why there really are no consequences, and if you're, and a lot of people are saying, oh, well, we're doing this together, but we really means you, and the other person really isn't doing so much, think about what that's causing in you. And if there was a recipe for repeat betrayals, that's it. When nothing changes, nothing changes. Repeat betrayal happens because you keep bringing the same everything into the relationship. I am not suggesting that it's your fault at all, but it is your opportunity. When you decide you deserve to be treated with respect and love and have a relationship that's honest and in integrity and with authenticity, it's a game changer. So the opportunity is there for you when you've been betrayed. Of course, we're here to help. This is not the kind of thing that's easy to do alone. You need to heal physically, mentally, emotionally, psychologically, spiritually. But when you do, watch who shows up, a version of you that will blow your mind. I hope that helps.